Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on my social medias listed on the screen. See ya. My lips was looking so weird when I did that. It's been like a few days since I've picked up this camera to start a vlog or whatever. But I get some new curtains. I told you I was gonna get them, but they're a little bit too short. So I have to get some new ones. But at least the rod is long enough. It's a gold rod. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's really cute. The curtains look so nice. I also got some bowls and some plates. And yes, they're white because that's just the color scheme that I'm doing right now. White and gold. That's the color plans. The aesthetic. So, yeah. I am sitting here thinking about how to relieve tension in my lower back. And I did stretch. Like, I laid down and I stretched to the side, and I've been doing like circles with my hips. And it was feeling really good. Like, it felt like a good little stretch, mobility workout or whatever. But now I stopped myself from going to YouTube and actually looking up stretches because I feel like it would be like some long extra stretches that I'm not ready to do. Like, lately I've been realizing a lot of what I really want to do, what I'm ready to do, what I'm prepared to do, and what I don't want to do. And I'm just not gonna do what I don't want to do. I'm not gonna let anybody make me feel like doing what I don't want to do, and I'm not gonna let anything make me feel that way either. But I think that the fact that I am still like continuing to sit up and like stretch and do like the little mobility hip workout that I was just doing, or that I do when I'm like sitting up, and I continue to do it, and then I do it for hours straight, it's like strengthening my back. That's what it literally feels like, because it feels like the muscles in my back are just getting stronger. And then I give them like a little break to relax whenever I'm not sitting up, or even if I'm walking, I've noticed. And I think that's why it's like, I wouldn't say it's intense, but I just feel it. Like, I don't feel that pressure anywhere else, but it's like a little slight tension. And then it gets hot and it's like, dang, is my back sweating? But and I'm not big back. I'm not. I just eat a lot. I'm big butt. I'm not big back. I'm big butt. So the food goes to my body and the weight goes to my boobs and my butt, honestly. And yeah, it is like what time is it? It's 4:15 a.m. Y'all behind the clock, so I had to move you a little bit. I had to get you out the way. Skirt. It's 4:15 a.m. in the morning. This Skills C4 is good. I had the strawberry, the pink starburst one yesterday, and this one, well, yeah, yesterday. It was really good. But yeah, I didn't want to do an unboxing when I got my packages earlier yesterday, because I just wanted to get it and put it up. Like, I got the packages, I got the curtains and the curtain rod, and then the plates and the bowls. I've already washed the dishes, and the dishwasher is sanitized them or whatever. And we actually ate our breakfast because it's already in the morning time. Me and my son had some pasta together. Y'all, that made me so happy, because usually he doesn't want to eat the pasta. Like, he just won't even try it. But he actually tried it, and he actually ate all of it. And he's actually sitting at the table right now eating Cheez-Its because he finished his bowl. And I'm so happy for him. I'm so happy, excited. It makes me feel like a proud mom when my son actually eats what I eat. Like, I feel like it just makes more sense. And he's not being difficult anymore. So it's like a lot of reassurance for me personally in my head. It just makes the stress go away. So yeah, I am not gonna be just vlogging long right here, but I do want to pick up this little video. I don't know when the next time is that I'm gonna pick up this camera, but just appreciate the fact that I am putting little clips into a vlog and then I'm publishing it on YouTube and that you're seeing it. Have you noticed the eyebrow growth? Because I have. Have you noticed that my dark spots are going away and my pimples are not there anymore? Because I have. Have you noticed that I'm getting more freckles on my face? Because I have. Yo, like, what is this? I literally was in my restroom looking at my skin, and look at this. There's a little pimple, not a pimple, there's a little mole right there. I got a mole right here, mole right there, mole right here, mole right there, mole right there, mole right there, right there, right there, right there. Da, da, da. I have freckles on my face. Oh my god, it's like, these are like the most biggest ones, but there's like freckles all over my face. And it's like a part of me is not surprised, just because I'm always remembering that freckles or moles or beauty marks are like common in my family, because even my son has moles, like beauty marks on his forehead. He has one right here and one right there. My grandma has them on her face. I have them on my face. Well, she has them like on her body, like on her neck and stuff. I have one right here on my neck. I have another one somewhere. I think that's it. Oh no, it's right here. And then I'm just getting more and more, and it's like, oh my goodness, am I gonna have just like, what am I gonna look like? What am I about to look like? Because am I getting light skin or freckles? Because if I am, just tell me now. Because if that's what my life is turning into, a light skin with freckles, just let me know. Because a part of me feels like as I'm getting older, my whole face is about to just have a shift. It's about to have a change, and it's like, despite this dark ass mark right here, these freckles, like that one, they're like really, see this? Till you see it. And I can't stop them. How do I stop them? I don't really want to stop them, but I don't want them. I don't know. I don't know if I want them. I mean, I don't mind them. I think this is the most cutest one. And then this one too. But what am I turning into right now? I just don't know. I feel like everything is going through a transformation. And I'm not mad about it. I'm just like wondering, like, what am I going to look like in the next, at the end of the year. Like, of course I'm gonna look like me, but it's like, just the difference. It looks like a crown that you dropped. Yeah, you might want to pick that up after you just stared at it. You can have some water, like I said.
The water did.
You need to drink water every day. At least one. And you need to pick that crumb up. Don't just keep walking by it. But I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Oh, it is freaking awesome. I just literally discussed my son's new allowance that he's gonna be getting weekly. So basically he hired, okay? He has a list of chores that he's gonna be doing now, and we went over the pricing that he's starting off with. I gave him some starting rates, you know, and depending on how better he gets at the chores every single week, it might increase. But I'm so proud of him. And then now I was just on my phone and I'm signed up with Ulta, so I be getting Ulta rewards, and they be sending me text messages and they be sending me emails, and I just realized it's time for me to do a big Ulta haul. It's time for me to spend a good check on Ulta, okay? I need to spend a good check on Ulta. I'll probably include a nice haul, maybe a shop with me. I don't really know about too much shopping in the store though, just because I have never done that, like vlogging and shopping in the Ulta store. And most of the time when I'm watching other women vlog or even males vlog on YouTube and they're in the actual Ulta store, they're like, you know, had to keep it secret, had to keep it on the DL or whatever, just because they don't really allow vlogging like that. So I don't know, maybe one day I'll get a sponsorship from Ulta and they'll be like, SIIIN, we want you to vlog so much, please come into the store, please let us pay for everything that you want here, you know what I'm saying? Like, fingers crossed. So yeah, but I really need to get to Ulta. I'm gonna do some money management, some smart money management, so I can make sure that I can get that done, because I'm ready to start wearing more makeup. I don't even wear makeup. I've been focused on self-care, and I've been focused on just like changing and evolving my environment, but I can also help myself and give myself what I want. So I think a trip to Ulta and some new things are in the works, and I'm gonna be very super excited about it. And yeah, it's in the works. Yeah. So tell me why I'm in my apartment and I get a knock on the door. I just went to the door and it was a man and a woman out of nowhere asking to pray for me. I mean, I let them pray for me because I felt like it was appreciative. Like it was something nice. But the vibes just weren't there. And now I'm waiting for my pizza to be delivered. But yeah, like the woman, she was literally just standing there praying for me. The man was just standing there with his eyes closed. And like the fact that they just randomly came to my door, and then a neighbor walked by and like just looked at me. I think it was a sign of like, that was just a one-time thing and it's not gonna happen. Like, I don't want that to happen again, because I don't need people randomly coming to my door. They weren't selling anything, but they just wanted to pray for me. It's different. Very, very different. And I was thinking that was my pizza delivery driver, but no, I haven't got the pizza delivered yet. And then in the midst of all that, now there's a fly in here that needs to die. And it got in here through me leaving the door cracked, listening to them. My curtains are so cute. But yeah. Okay, I literally just killed a fly. I'm grabbing my tripod so I can record. Not too long of a vlog right now, but I will be recording. And I got some pizza, so now I can eat. Things have been going so well as far as my progress and work. So, actually I need to wash my hands before I eat and get the food out. So, I'm really happy about that. Goodness, and I don't have to use the paper plates. I mean, I have them, but I don't have to use them because I have my plates. I'm filling up my sink right now because I need to let those dishes soak before I wash them tonight. But I'm getting a plate and the cup. My cup for pizza and Fanta. Getting a pizza and a Fanta. Okay. So now, I'm not thinking too much on the fact that those people just came to my door. I'm really just gonna let that thought go because it was nice that they prayed for me and everything, but I'm not gonna be joining their church, and I'm not about to be really involving myself with them at all. They asked me, is there anything that they want me to pray for? And what I specifically told them was I want a second job. So then the woman started praying for me. And there's that. But then there's the end of that. So I also got a salad, y'all. I got a salad. So I got pizza. Let me show y'all what I got. So I just ordered Domino's. I got the bacon and chicken. Bacon and cheese. And then I also got a pizza, large pizza. This is for me and my son. So of course, it's gonna taste real good. And I also got a Caesar salad that's in here. I'm gonna actually put the Caesar salad in the refrigerator because I don't want to leave it out. I'm not gonna be eating it right now. So yeah. goodness. Alright, and then on to other news. I'm about to enjoy this pizza. It's about to taste real good. It's about to taste real good. I'm about to enjoy it a lot. I feel like kind of like what they ooh, they did not put a lot of bacon on here, but there is a lot of cheese. They for sure cheesed it up. I think what I'm gonna do is take one slice of each. One of the bacon and the chicken. I mean bacon and cheese. Why do I keep saying bacon and chicken? Maybe because of that pasta that I know I'm gonna eat with my son because that's what we like. I told y'all he ate it yesterday, or this morning actually. It was what we had ate for breakfast, and it was really delicious. And now, oh my god, this pizza is so hot, but that part was like falling apart. Okay, so now, okay. I got some of the pizza. I need to get a napkin. Food. I got my Fanta right here. And I'm about to enjoy this eating, y'all. I would try to do like a mukbang or whatever, but actually I'm doing it right now. I'm not even gonna try. So delicious. It's so good. I had to look at my chair because I was like, what is that? But the leather on my chair kind of like got torn a little bit, so it's poking my legs. But not like a bad poke, it was just like a little poke. Oh, did they give me any ranch with this? They ain't put no ranch in the what? That's crazy. I think I should add some ranch onto this. Got that Hidden Valley on there. The original ranch, okay? I'm really just gonna be eating. Probably watching some YouTube. So let me finish eating, and yeah, if I vlog later, I'll pick up the camera later. Just made me some lunch. I just made Xavier some lunch. He had chicken nuggets with cheesy bread and Pringles and a water. Xavier, you're not done eating. You need to get back to this table while you're over there trying to sneak away. And I am eating chicken bacon. Wait, it's chicken bacon pasta with broccoli? Yeah. And cheesy toast. And I'm gonna drink a water as well. But I just had a package delivered. So I just had this wonderful package delivered, and I'm about to actually unbox it with y'all while I'm waiting for my food to cool down. And I want y'all to understand that this wig actually gave me lovely vibes, okay? It gave me lovely vibes, and I'm so excited to actually wear it because it's giving, baby. It's giving. So,
There's like kind of
put y'all
collision
straight. There we go.
Yeah.
Y'all see I got my bonnet on. I actually have my hair in like little plaits,
Okay, I was gonna
like little braids right
like
now.
collision on them.
So this is the box. It did come with a ribbon, but it got torn
I'm
off.
gonna try this one.
But when you open it,
Ooh, I did it! I'm doing it! I'm doing it! I'm
let's
doing
see
it!
what you get. Inside of the box, it is so lovely
Bro,
and
there's like a
cute.
random branch.
And
on
then
the
it
thing
comes
that
with
has
a wig.
collision. So basically, you
In
have to like
the
keep bouncing,
wig.
like jumping around it,
Look at it, y'all. It's
Like
so
that.
cute.
like kind of
Wig
like
is
that.
so cute. This is a 22-inch. Look at the legs.
Like, can we just go?
It's
here?
already
Yeah,
dyed.
the barrier.
You know, it's dyed to the
No, I'm
satisfaction.
doing it.
It's gonna match my skin tone when I put it
I
on
did
my
it. I'm doing
head.
it. No, I did it.
Okay,
I fell.
look at that lace. The knots look like they're already bleached, and this is great. It does have combs, and it has an adjustable strap in the back, and it has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 on
I'm
the
doing
back.
it. I'm climbing the tree.
And it also has something where you can adjust it. So I'm
I'm
excited to
climbing the
put this on. I'm actually gonna be putting this on a little bit later
climbing the tree.
after I eat my lunch.
You're doing it.
So we can
No!
see how it looks. But y'all know I'm one of those who's like very excited to receive packages. So when I do, I kind of like open them, and I just knew I had to give y'all a legit review, a legit first eye view on how I felt when I opened the package.
Okay.
Because I literally felt like, yeah, this collaboration is
Come on,
gonna
I don't want
go
to
amazing.
fall all the way at the bottom.
Let's talk about how my chairs are still not in stock on Amazon. Like, come on now. I know the chairs are very, very, very cute, but I need my chairs so I can put them in my apartment.
I see.
Because right now
I found something else.
is what it's doing. But I'm actually about to sneak in my fat burner into my stomach. Make sure you put your trash in the trash. And yeah.
Never back down. Never give up. Never back down. Never what?
Somebody is calling my phone.
Never back down. Never what? Never
So
back down. Never back up.
I actually, why are you touching my butt?
No, I didn't. But now can I play Fortnite?
Yeah, can you bring my iPad?
Lester, I can help play Fortnite.
I actually I already finished a bottle of the, oh shit.
I can now play Fortnite. You want to see my skin?
I finished a bottle of my belly fat burner, and I've noticed a difference. Like, I've noticed. I've also noticed that I've been drinking more water and liquids daily, and actually eating like when I'm not just asleep. Because I've noticed that I've had more energy lately. Okay, I love that for me, and I've noticed that even when I work during the day, I'm still awake. Sometimes I do take a nap, but I've noticed that even if I don't take a nap, and it becomes, you know, that time, dang, now somebody else is calling me. Who is over there calling my phone? I've noticed that even when it becomes that time, I'm still able to get what I need to do done. Yeah. I've been having amazing energy levels lately, and I just love it. I love it. I appreciate it. I'm appreciative, and I do take care of myself. I actually like. I actually understand that, you know, when I need some caffeine and I need to get stuff done, to actually take the caffeine and drink it, because I have energy drinks that I use. My teeth looking good. So I just know what to do. And this food is really good. And I just got 2 calls, and I feel like they were about opportunities. Money making opportunities.
Yeah, I'm putting it on charger. Is that so yet? Is that so yet?
This food is really good.
Now what?
I'm going to enjoy it. And we're gonna talk about that way later, y'all. So keep watching. Alright, y'all. So this is a different type of look angle for you, whatever. I got one of them expensive phones. So my quality better be A1, but let me put y'all straight. My mirror is showing the beautifulness, and that's on God. All right, so we're about to get into this wig because I'm very excited. I know y'all excited. I'm very happy, very happy. I will leave the discount code. I will leave my discount code to the website below in the description box. You can also be sure to click on the link. You can get the exact wig that I got at a discount with my code, but I'll put the link and my code in the description box. This is 100% human hair, and it is 22 inches long. But we're gonna go ahead and get into it, okay? We're gonna get into the wig, and you already know that means we're gonna put it on. All right, so y'all see me, y'all see me, y'all see me. I'm about to do this wig, y'all. I'm about to get into it. I'm getting prepared. So I'm gonna use a stocking cap. I got me a stocking cap. I got that for sure. And I got this liquid bold hold gold. Gold hold liquid bold. I also got a wax stick. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need that right now. But what we're gonna do, oh my God! I already got a wig cap on. So I already got the wig cap on. The wig cap is on. We're gonna loosen it up so we can put it on, and then we're gonna tighten it so it can be exactly how I want it to be. And I'm gonna try to put it on like this, like putting it on to make sure that the strap side of my hair, like I have hair. This is where my hairline on this side goes. And then my baby hairs are literally on this line now. And I am not trying to have the growth process slowed, so it's gonna be sped up, especially since I'm using growth products. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this little fan right here, just so we can make this tacky. And it's gonna be sticky and like a tacky, like a sticky tacky texture on my forehead. So I'll be back in about like 5 minutes. So I'm back after 5 minutes, and I was like, it can do what it needs to do regarding that lace. Now, y'all can see that this texture of this hair is really gorgeous. Look how far it comes down to my back, my butt. Y'all see? It comes down really far. It's like the top of oh my god. But yeah, I'm gonna do some baby hairs, probably like 2 on the sides. I'm not thinking about 1 in the middle, just 2 on the sides. I don't think that I need to pull down the hair any more longer, because it's already giving looks. It's really giving looks. I love it. So now I'm just waiting for my hot comb. Oh look, hot comb is ready. Now this ain't my sparkly hot comb that I want. This is just the beginner hot comb. You know, this that hot comb you gotta get from Amazon because your wig already came a day early. And you trying to slay. You trying to pull up to wherever you're going looking good. Why? Because you want to look good. Because I want to look just use on. Because why not, girl? You know it's hot. You know you still trying to grow out your hair. You know you want your hair to be braided under here with some growth oil. Under the wig is what I'm saying. And you know you want this wig. Like, look. It's gorgeous.